Hello, are you confusing organization with decluttering? Organizing means putting like things together. Decluttering means getting rid of things that you don't need, love, use, or like. Love or like, I guess that's the same thing. So you can organize things you don't like, don't need, don't use. You can totally do that, but that's not going to be helpful in getting the stuff out of your house. Decluttering is giving yourself a streamlined way of living, a way where you can find what you're looking for. You can open the drawer and see the scissors and the tape in there. You can go to the closet and know that's where you keep the games, or you keep the coats, or you keep the boots, or whatever it is you keep there. Decluttering means throwing away things that aren't good for anyone, especially you, but anyone else wouldn't appreciate them either. And then giving away things that are perfectly good. I'm going to keep this. It's perfectly good, but I don't love it, need it, or use it. No, give it away. It's perfectly good. Somebody can really need it, love it, or use it. All right. Have a great day.